Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where today we're going to do the second mod, quote-unquote mod for the M4. And today you can kind of see it's already been mocked up. We're going to be installing a really nice little gloss black lip spoiler, and I think this is really going to break up the blue. It's going to add a little bit of, well, you could say color, but I think just a little bit of accenting of gloss black. You can never go wrong, hence the gloss black on the 5 Series, of course. We love gloss black, you might be able to tell. We're gonna be installing this spoiler right here. We got it from Amazon. We've already opened it up. I didn't really get a chance to do an unboxing video. I know you guys like unboxing videos, but I didn't get a chance to unbox it, right? So we got too excited. We ripped it open, and it's mocked up to the car already. So all we're gonna do right now is apply some blue masking painter's tape around the edges, line it up perfectly. We're gonna remove the 3M on the bottom like we did with the 5 Series. It's pretty much the exact same system as, you know, most stick-on spoilers like this. And then we're just gonna put it on, stick it on, and see how it looks. And I'm really excited because this car, the rear it's pretty blue, all right? I have to be honest, it's pretty blue. So we're really excited to see how this little spoiler will break up the blue. But yes, let's get right into it. By the way, in case you don't know, this is my 5 Series, and this is my dad's M4. So, if you see my dad's hands working on the car, it's because it's his car, right? So don't give me any comments like, oh, you're not working on your own car. It's like, no, this is my dad's car, right? I just take it out for a drive every so often, but it's his car, so he's gonna be working on it mainly. I'm just filming and helping. All right, looks like we are done here. It's a bit dirty because, you know, all of our fingerprint smudges and everything, but I think that looks really cool. And like I said before, it does in fact break up the blue a little bit. I like the size, not too big, not too small. I really like the shape of it. I've seen a lot of them where they kick up here. Actually, when we got the car, it actually had that same spoiler that I'm talking about, and we took it off because we're just not a fan of it. I think it looks a little bit too aggressive, but this is just right. I think it looks super cool. Great size, made for the F83 and the F33. I really am a big fan of it. And in the future, we are actually getting a rear diffuser. We've already bought it actually. So stay tuned for that video. We're going to be installing a rear diffuser on the M4. I'm very excited for that. It's gonna match the spoiler very nicely, gloss black as well. But yes, that actually, I guess that's it for now. That's all that, you know, kind of there is to say about it. Let's take a closer look. It's great. It's a great size. Gloss black is awesome, of course. But yes, I am very excited for the diffuser to match this. So the only way to find out how that looks is if you subscribe. So make sure to subscribe. So I just want to thank you guys very much for watching. Take care.